All right, let's go right back to the first day of this third section, day 12, which was if I give you two chords that intersect, what is the theorem I'm going to use to find the length of either one, a part of them? Okay, so there you go. Two chords that intersect. I put labels on them, lengths on them. I need to find a missing length. AE times EB, right? The product of their parts. And then I do the same thing for the other chord. The other chord's broken up into EC and ED. Don't forget, if I do a diameter in a chord, still applies. A diameter is a type of chord. Don't forget that. A lot of people, they just freak out when they see a diameter instead of a diagram that looks like this. A diameter and a chord intersecting, you can still use this theorem. We all good on two chords? All right. How about secants and tangents now? Secants and tangents, we remember whole times external equals whole times external. So let me ask you guys. Give me a whole and external one up here. I got to change that. 228. Woo! Here we go. 16. Give me a whole and external up here.
AC
times
BC.
BC. How about the other whole times external up here? Let's roll 3.
BC ED EC.
ED.
Oh, EC.
ECN.
ED.
You're killing me here with the ED.
Right.
Look where ED is, Kyle, right? Inside or outside? Okay, I don't want that. I want whole times external. So give me the CD. There you go. All good? All right. And that also works for a secant and a tangent. Let's go over this one because I think a lot of you are going to forget about it if I don't go over it. What is he doing? What are those? Do they intersect? Okay, so bye-bye to that one. But I will let you know they're parallel. What do you got for me then? If you know they're parallel, there should be a fact you now know is true up here. Will?
BD congruent to AC.
Arc BD congruent to arc AC, yes. If two chords are parallel, that means the arcs in between them are congruent, aka they have the same measure. Good. So don't forget that one because it might creep up on you tomorrow. Good on the facts. Before I tell you a couple other pieces of information for tomorrow. We're good on the 3 main facts. All right, some other things to remember. I told you already, one construction. It's going to be one of the 4 we did yesterday. Circle equation. And let's put it out there. You're going to have to complete the square to get it. Okay? I'm going to have it in a different form. You're going to have to complete the square to put it into that type of form. And then you can take out the center and the radius. All right? So without a doubt, you're going to complete the square. And then a couple other things to be aware of. There is a lot of factoring tomorrow, but I will let you know everything is factorable. You can multiply to this and add to this number. All of them are factorable. If you are unsure about your ability or just not confident at all, I will have reference sheets available and you can use quadratic formula. But I will let you know everything is factorable tomorrow. Okay, you can find 2 numbers that do this and this. Okay? But if you're a little nervous, that's fine. You can use the quadratic formula. And also, like every test so far this year, be ready to simplify a radical if need be. Anything you want to ask about? I think it's 25 points, I believe it was. 25. Anything going? Biggest thing, I teach one class of geometry AB, which is basically 10th graders. And they had their version, which is a little bit, yours is a heck of a lot tougher. But when completing the square today, totally forgot whatever you add to the left, Got to balance it to the right. It's a common mistake. Don't fall in that trap. Okay, you got to keep it balanced. Here's what you guys are going to do today. You're going to go to review for quiz 3, which starts on page 61 of your packet. Answer key is in the very back. And I know you're going to get done with it probably within 15 to 20 minutes. So then you're going to get out your Chromebooks, hop on Delta Math, and I have another review I put together on Delta Math just for some more practice. All right, so we are doing work here today. I don't think anybody's going to finish early. All right, so grind away. You can certainly work with and talk with people in your group, but nothing outside your group. Call me over if one of them doesn't make sense. Here we go.